Summer means it's time to visit your favorite theme parks. Let's look at some smartphone apps you'll want to download before you visit them. I'm Emily Gazzulo, and this is Tech Byte. There's already good news for Disney park goers this summer. The company announced it's enhancing its My Disney experience in Disneyland apps with a much-needed car locator feature. How many times have you come back from a long day at one of the theme parks and didn't know where you parked your car? The app already lets you order food and buy merchandise at the parks and Disney Resort hotels, along with plenty of other features. If you plan to visit Universal Studios or Islands of Adventure in Florida as well, the Universal Orlando Resort app will definitely come in handy. It has interactive maps of the theme parks, Universal City Walk, and on-site resort hotels. You can do mobile food and drink ordering too. New features include getting a place in the virtual line with a return time for select attractions and paying with a virtual wallet. Having the Dollywood app is a must if you're making a trip to the heart of the Smoky Mountains. It includes a map to help you navigate the 150-acre park, along with show schedules and ride wait times. The app also has exclusive offers on food and shopping. It never hurts to save a little money. If you plan to visit any of the Six Flags theme parks in the U.S., the Six Flags app works for all of them. It features the usual park maps, ride wait times, and mobile ordering. It also lets you view and share your ride and park photos. There are even exclusive perks for pass holders. They can register for the Six Flags Rewards program, earn points by checking into rides and shows, and redeem those points at any time. If you already have these apps downloaded, make sure they're updated before your trip so they'll work the best. And make sure to check out Single Rider Brian on YouTube. Brian Armstrong has plenty of honest, entertaining, and funny reviews of these theme parks and others across the country. It's worth checking out if you're a big fan of roller coasters. I'm Emily Gazzulo, and that's this week's Tech Byte.